The Poo Files.
Poo Files open.
Cow pats. Well, they get my vote for being the world's most versatile butt truffles. Humans have used them to make houses, fires, medicine, even frisbees. But what about cow pat crockery? Historians believe that way back in time, ash from burnt cow pats was used to make a pretty blue glaze on pottery. Beautiful. Won't get me to eat out of it, but...
Font facts.
Shellfish. They're small, cute, and look harmless enough. But here's a news flash. They whistle in their Y fronts like everyone else. And that's not all. Scientists reckon shellfish farts contain methane and nitrous oxide. So they're also contributing to greenhouse gas production. Not so cute now, are you, bubble bum? Burning question. Here's a very serious question that's plagued humankind for centuries. Is it wise to hold a fart in? Place your bets!
Historical nuggets.
Dodgy Dunedin used to be called Stinkapool. In the late 1800s, raw sewage was discharged into the upper harbour. They also dumped dead fish and offal on the mud flats. So when the weather got warm, the whole harbour was a minging cesspool of pungent putridness. Who's up for a swim? Anyone? Burning question. Is it wise to hold a fart in? No, it's not. Because it won't only make you feel bloated, it's going to flame and come out anyway. And the more gas you build up, the more epically loud and embarrassing your fart is going to be. Is it really embarrassing, though? Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files closed.